If you are seriously considering an airless paint sprayer, then you're making a great choice. The best airless paint sprayer will allow you to complete painting tasks in a fraction of the time of a paintbrush or roller. It's also a very versatile tool since you can adjust the pressure to suit your needs. And because you can buy different tips for different types of finishes such as latex or varnish, in short, there are many reasons to buy an airless paint sprayer. We have listed the top 5 airless paint sprayers and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 5. Graco Magnum X5. You can ask any professional painter you know. Graco arguably produces some of the best airless paint sprayers. With the Graco X5, they offer a more budget-friendly airless paint sprayer if you don't dig the X7 due to the price. We'll be talking about the X7 in a matter of minutes. The Graco X5 is really geared towards users like homeowners and DIYers who don't spray consistently throughout the year. If you paint maybe once a month or a couple of times a year, the X5 is just fine for you. It offers you the capacity to spray up to 2.7 gallons of paint per minute and 125 gallons per year. You can actually do more than that figure if you take care of the tool. You know the old adage, you take care of your tool, it'll take care of you. The X5 is equipped with a stainless steel piston pump, which is powered by a half-horsepower universal motor to provide the performance you're looking for to complete all your spray painting projects as a homeowner, DIYer, or a handyman. It can handle a pressure of 3,000 psi, which can easily be adjusted according to your needs, making it very suitable for spraying different types of paint, even heavily unthinned paints. With a weight of just 13.3 pounds, it's very lightweight and very easy to carry around when working on painting projects. It's also equipped with an RAC spray tip, which makes it easy for you to unclog while you're painting with it by simply reversing the tip to spray through the other side. We'll have more details about that technology in a couple of minutes. The Graco X5 airless paint sprayer gives users a more budget-friendly, high-performance airless paint sprayer, which can be used to handle both interior and exterior painting projects. It has the capacity to handle a hose length of 75 feet, though it comes with a hose length of just 25 feet. Number 4. HomeRight Power Flo Pro 2800. With a half-horsepower motor and 2800 psi, the HomeRight Power Flo Pro 2800 is one of the more powerful airless paint sprayers we've come across. It's important that the unit has stability when spraying, which is offered by 2 metal legs. In particular, we recommend this product to DIY enthusiasts who have a variety of projects to tackle. While it's a powerful airless paint sprayer, it still does require the thinning of thicker paints, which can be time-consuming. However, this is a common issue with such products and is even worse with cheaper options than this. Another thing we really like about the HomeRight ProFlow Pro 2800 is that it provides very quick spraying coverage with up to 2.4 gallons per minute. Despite the speed, it's actually a very easy paint sprayer to use. In particular, cleaning is very convenient, particularly in comparison to some other products on the market. One common theme among consumers seems to be the lack of guidelines when it comes to setting up the product for the first time. This may be something to keep in mind if you're new to using a paint sprayer. In summary though, it works well and we're happy with the results. Number 3. Graco Ultra Cordless. This is a much smaller professional-grade paint sprayer. It's perfect for you if you don't want to use 50 gallons of paint to tackle a project, but you are doing some professional touch-up work or attempting to tackle very small projects for a nice profit. Graco has the ultimate cordless handheld spray gun for you, which can handle some high-powered, high-pressure spraying with little overspray. The Graco cordless spray gun is definitely a much smaller product, but that certainly increases portability. It also uses built-in HEA technology, meaning you won't be wasting your paint or your money. However, you will be much more limited in the range of projects you can tackle, because you'll have to constantly refill it if you work on anything larger than a very small project. Number 2. Graco Magnum X7 Cart. If you are a do-it-yourselfer, hobbyist, or even a professional contractor, and you think it's time to drop the brush and roller and upgrade to a time-saving airless paint sprayer to handle your painting projects, then you should consider getting the Graco X7. With the Graco X7, you have the capacity to add perfect and even coats of paint to your indoor and outdoor projects, including fences, decks, and furniture. The Graco X7 is equipped with a pump which is capable of spraying up to a maximum pressure of 3,000 psi and can be adjusted according to your needs. The whole unit is powered by a 5/8 horsepower universal pump, which performs excellently on standby to help you add color to your next project. In terms of performance, the Graco X7 is capable of spraying up to 0.31 gallons of paint per minute and is able to spray 125 gallons per year. With proper maintenance, though, you can exceed those figures pretty quickly with your sprayer still working as strong as the day you bought it. The Graco X7 comes equipped with a metal SG2 spray gun in combination with the 515 RAC Reverse a Clean spray tip, which makes it very easy to clean up the spray tip when it's clogged by simply reversing it. With an easy pressure adjustment dial, you dial the pressure of the pump so you can spray different kinds of paint and achieve the finish you desire. The Graco X7 comes with the length of hose of 25 feet, though it can support up to 100 feet of hose so you can reach higher and cover a wide area while you paint without moving the unit itself. A mobile cart with tires makes it easy for you to transport the Graco X7 easily while working with the unit. Number 1. Wagner Flexio 590. A slightly different option to those of Graco, the Wagner Flexio 590 is a handheld airless paint sprayer. It's a very portable option and weighs only 2.1 pounds with the dimensions of 15.9 by 6.7 by 13.9 inches. We think that this makes the Flexio 590 ideal for both indoor and outdoor tasks. It's a very versatile tool and features 9 different speed options. Whether you're looking to apply detail or get the job done quickly, you'll be able to do so without any trouble. This is, in our opinion, the best handheld airless paint sprayer for the money, and this is clear in the correlation between power and price. Despite the low price, the power offered by the Flexio 590 is very good, and the value is further enhanced by the nozzles and cups included with the purchase. But you'd be right to think that there must be some cons to consider with this product. In particular, the overspray produced is an issue, which means that very good preparation and cleaning is required to avoid potential problems. What's more, cleaning isn't easy due to the many small parts. The leap from do-it-yourself to a professional-grade paint gun is a big one, but it can be highly satisfying as well as highly lucrative. If you are familiar with the Graco Magnum products from your DIY painting jobs, you can easily upgrade to larger projects and professional work by picking up the Graco Cart Airless Paint Sprayer. With great pressure control and an easy cleanup process, this is one of the best painting products you'll find on Amazon, period. In fact, there are few other air sprayers that compare to it. Whatever you're looking for in your paint jobs, you can accomplish with the airless paint sprayers on this list. Whether you need something for a large DIY project or you want a professional product for commercial use, there is an airless paint sprayer for you. Amazon has a fantastic selection, so you can pick up the perfect product for your painting projects and get started ASAP. Let us know in the comments below which airless paint sprayer you are going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this one and it helped you in any way, please give it a like. And if you don't want to miss future videos, subscribe to the channel. Till next time, see you guys later.